Okay, this is the third time I filmed this video. I do not know how to get I don't know how to get what's in here out here very well, but I'm gonna try, so bear with me. Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back to my garden. I am sadly not in my garden again today, and I am very sad about it because it is a beautiful day. It's like in the low 80s, a little bit overcast, absolute perfect gardening day. But don't feel bad for me because in less than an hour, I am hopping in the car with my family and we are headed to England. Yes, I know. I talked about this a little in my last video that you guys saw on Friday. We are headed to England. I went to England with Haddon Stone, the cast stone company, in March. They took Michael Glassman and I to come see all their pieces in their display gardens and their factory and all that fun stuff. And it was so incredible. It was absolutely amazing. And we had the best time and we work really well together. My content creation and Haddon Stone, we just have the best time together. And so while we were there, we planned another trip. This trip where I'm not going to be filming for my channel, I'm going to be filming for their channels, their Instagram, their YouTube, what else? Facebook. Yeah, that's it. Facebook. I'm like, wait, there's one more. Facebook. So I'm going to be filming for them and creating content for them to basically introduce their products to the United States audience. They have a wonderful UK Instagram. You guys can see that on the Haddon Stone Instagram, but they are trying to start a Haddon Stone USA Instagram that speaks to us in America. And I really, really appreciate that. And so I'm just helping them film some of that stuff. So, but Jason and I, we talked about it, and we decided that the only way that I should go back on another trip is if we brought the whole family with us, and so that the girls could experience England and Jason could experience England, and my parents are coming with us, and we're making it into a whole family trip. Jason and I will be working for a couple days there, filming all day. And then we do have some free days that we're going to Bath one day. We're going to the Jane Austen Museum. I'm so excited. We're going to Kent. We're going to Sissinghurst, and we're going to Great Dixter. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I finally get to see Great Dixter, and some other places. And on the days that Jason and I are working, my parents are going to be taking the girls sightseeing and to London and to the Cotswolds and, all the fun stuff. So it's going to be a great, fantastic trip. But having said that, I wanted to talk about where I think my channel is going. Last Friday, or maybe the Friday before last, I posted a video talking about how I was feeling lost. And I have to say, I think I'm in the August funk. We all talk about gardeners, we all talk about the August funk where we're hot, we've been gardening since spring, we're a little tired, the plants are a little tired, and I think I'm kind of there, I guess is what I'll say. And I've been very reflective lately. It's so funny. I've been very reflective and thinking about how I want my life to go and designing my life, and therefore designing my YouTube channel and where I want that to go. And I kind of wanted to share with all you guys, because when I talked about feeling lost in that video, your comments were so sweet. I mean, it was it almost brought tears to my eyes how sweet your comments were, because it was immediately eye-opening, and I knew immediately what I should do after reading all your wonderful comments. And I know not all of you comment, and I don't expect you to. I don't usually comment on videos either. But for those of you who did, thank you so much. It was so great. It was like talking to a friend, basically. And I think a lot of you just kind of underscored what I was already feeling, which is I want to spend more time in my garden going forward. And I'm saying this as I'm about to leave for England, I know. But I want to spend more time in my garden, and I want to spend more time doing the things that I love in my garden. Jason and I, we always talk about this. Well, since we've moved into this house 3 years ago, exactly, there's landscaping and there's gardening. And for the past 3 years, when we moved into this house, there was nothing. I mean, it was a blank slate, absolutely nothing. And so we've been really focusing on the landscaping portion for the past 3 years. And that's been great. It's been so much fun. It's been wonderful. I am so thankful for my friend Michael, landscape designer Michael Glassman, because having him has been an absolute lifesaver. I could not have done this without him. Well, let's say I would have had trouble doing what I've done in the past 3 years, doing what we have done, I should say. I should give Jason 50% credit. Doing what we've done in the past 3 years, having Michael has been absolutely incredible. He has helped me through everything. 6 o'clock in the morning, if I'm fretting about some decision, I call him and he gives me an answer, and it's just been amazing. It's been incredible to have Michael here for the landscaping portion of gardening. What I love and what got me started on this gardening journey and this YouTube journey is the gardening aspect of gardening. And what I mean by that is, planting plants, taking care of plants, deadheading and picking bouquets and focusing on plant care and pollinators, like the little stuff, the gardening type stuff, right? The pruning, like the little stuff. And that's where my passion lies. I love the landscaping, but Michael's passion is landscape. When he talks about landscaping, man, that guy, he is just so incredible. It's so amazing. But I think that's why we work so well together, is because here he is over here and here I am. And together we make one really fantastic team. And that's why I love having him on my channel so much, because I just want to share all his amazing info with all of you guys, because I don't have that info to share with you guys. But having said all that, going forward for my channel, I think I want to slow down. I think I want to slow down. I started YouTube 5 years ago because I was so obsessed with gardening. I couldn't stop talking about it, and my friends and my family were getting annoyed with me because they weren't as into it as I was, and I just wanted to talk about it more and more. So I grabbed my phone and I started filming, and that filled my urge, my need to talk about gardening. And we could talk in the comment section. And those of you who've been watching me from the beginning, thank you so much. You guys, you're the real ones that have been with me when it's been really rough, I mean, I still think back, I did a video where literally the only thing I did in that video was I raked the leaves on my lawn. That was it. That's all I did. And some of you watched that video. I'm not linking it because I don't want you guys to go back and watch it, but it was a funny video and I still think back on it and how much joy I had. I mean, I used to jump out of bed in the morning and get so excited about getting out into the garden so I could film a video and talk about what I was doing in my garden. And I would love to get back to that, because doing YouTube is such a fun job. I never thought I would say I'm a content creator. I used to be a physical therapist and I love that job. But being a content creator is really confusing. It's a very confusing job because there is so much pull to be something, right? To go viral, or to do this video that's going to get all the views, or to do this big project because so many people are going to watch it. And in my mind, all of that stuff is like an influencer. Do you know what I mean? And there's nothing wrong with being like there's nothing wrong with that. I think that that's a great thing. But I just don't think I am an influencer. Do you know what I mean? I don't think I'm good enough to be an influencer, because truly I want to be in my garden, gardening, focusing on what I want to do, and hopefully that inspires some of you watching the videos. And that might mean that, maybe my channel doesn't grow as fast as I want it to, or I don't get as many views as I want to. But I do think the important thing is being genuine and being real and having the integrity to say exactly what I'm feeling at the time. And what I'm feeling as an influencer, or as a content creator, I'm not an influencer, as a content creator, what I'm feeling is I want to get back to basics. I want to get back in my garden and I want to slow down a little bit and have a slower life. And it's so funny I'm saying this as I'm about to hop on a plane to go to England, but I'm really looking forward to kind of slowing down in the future on my channel. And I thought I would share this with you all. How appropriate sharing it today. But I thought I would share this with you all because after I posted that video where I was talking about I was lost and all your comments, it just really underscored exactly how I was feeling. I hope I'm getting this across. Okay. Like I said, this is the third time I filmed this. Oh my gosh. It's just hard to explain it, you know, and I don't want to shade anybody else, any of my peers or, you know, because I think they're so great and I love watching content, you know, gardening content online. And I just think for me and having relatively young kids, Sadie just turned 13, so I guess she's not young anymore, but I think that also kind of opened my mind as, oh my gosh, I have a teenager. I'm gonna start crying. I have a teenager. Like, I don't want to miss any time with my kids, and I want to cook for them. Like I used to cook all the time. Ina Garden, my cat's name is Ina, right? Like I used to cook all the time, and I don't cook as much anymore because I've been working so hard and doing so many fun, amazing things. But I do think I want to slow down a little bit. I am so not explaining this well. Oh my God, and I'm getting emotional. Anyway, so long story short, on my channel going forward, I'm still going to be posting. I'm still going to be doing 5 videos a week. I'm still going to be here. I'm still going to be doing garden tours, you guys, just not as many. And I'm just not going to be doing as many big projects and big things. I'm really going to focus on the gardening, the stuff that really gets me going and gets me excited in the morning, and not as much content creation, you know, not as much, I don't know, videos that will do well for the algorithm, I guess is how I can say it, honestly. So you're going to see a change in my channel going forward, and hopefully that works, you know, and if it doesn't, there are so many wonderful creators out there, and everybody in the comment section can point you in the right direction, you know, but there are so many amazing people out there making really fantastic content. I think I personally just want to kind of slow down with my content a little bit, slow down with the type of content, I should say, because I really want to focus on my life balance and spending time with my kids and my family, and doing what I really love. I hope that this makes any sense at all. Anyway, so going forward, I had mentioned that Jason and I wanted to redo the zigzag planter and the front porch and do a whole makeover up there next January, and we've decided we're gonna postpone that. Just in the same, you know, slowing down a little bit. And I think the only project we're probably planning on doing is the project back by the chicken coop that Michael and I discussed. I'll try and remember to link that video down below. But I think we'll do that project because that project is very plant heavy and gardening heavy, and not as big of a project as the front porch is going to be. That's going to be a beast of a project. I think that's all I'm going to do next year on my channel, and it's just going to be a lot of gardening, and I'm excited about it, right? And having done that 30-day challenge, I'm telling you guys, that changed everything. 1, I spent more time in my garden. 2, it gave me more time to think, right? And to really contemplate how I want to design my life going forward and what I want to focus on and what's really important to me. And what's really important to me is family, friends, spending time in my garden, and doing what makes me happy. I know I am being so sappy today. I know. And I gotta go get on a plane. I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with all of you. And you will be seeing, you know, maybe a couple videos of England. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. When we're in England, I really want to focus on family time. So I don't want to sacrifice family time for making a video, again, with the same thought process, but I do really would love to share Sissinghurst and Great Dixter with you guys. So I'll see if I can film a video. If you guys don't see a video, then just know I couldn't swing it. But I would love to film a video and try. But I just wanted to update you all on what I was thinking and just be completely transparent, because honestly, that video, when I told you guys I was kind of struggling and kind of in a rut, you guys really, really helped me out just by reading the comments. It changed everything. So a huge thank you to all of you and for watching and supporting me and my family in this crazy job that I've decided to do. Such a fun job. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. I'm excited. I'm excited to kind of change it a little bit, slow down, and kind of see where that takes me. I think it should be really interesting, and I think it's the right time with the girls. You know, Shay's 11 and Sadie's 13. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Anyway. That's it. I hope you all enjoyed it. I apologize for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.